everyone and Happy New Year. I'm quite excited to share some of the items that I have with you today. So I've been doing a lot of shopping obviously because the sale started before Christmas Day and continued after Christmas Day. So I've been ordering stuff. I haven't received everything that I've ordered and I can see some of the stuff that I have already selling out. So I thought I might just go ahead and start just showing you what I have, and I really do want you to get some of these pieces. I'm not going to keep everything because some of the items don't fit me quite well as I thought it would, but I'll let you know, and you're going to see the tryouts anyway how it looks like. A lot of this stuff I am going to be putting links to them on my social media, so hopefully by the time this video goes up they haven't sold out. Another reason why you should be following me on Instagram and definitely on my YouTube shorts. So if you're at least following me on YouTube, you should be okay because I will post on my channel and links to the items that are on sale. I know that's a very long intro, but I just wanted to explain to you the breakdowns and really the importance of following me on my socials and on this channel because I will be sharing a lot of the gems that I find. So if you're a 10 subscriber or viewer, welcome back. If you're a viewer and you're back here, you should really be a subscriber by now. If I can't get you to subscribe to this video, then I don't know what I'm doing. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Odette and I do fashion and lifestyle videos for the working girl. Today I have a bunch of stuff that I picked up from the sales. The first item, so I bought two of this. I bought this one in a pink, but I also purchased it in a black color. The pink to me I absolutely love, but the black too, I mean, you can't really go wrong with a black knitted. It has a very petite fit. I believe both of them are in a large and I don't think they come in an extra large. It's by the brand LV, so it's LVIR. Never tried them before. I just saw that it was a knitwear, great price, great style, so I decided to pick it up. By the way, everything that I have here is from Net-a-Porter unless I say otherwise. So what I love about this is that at the front, obviously it does look like just a nice small petite top, but at the back it is cropped like this. If you're not a huge fan of wearing crop tops or anything like that, then you can definitely wear this with a super high-waisted jeans or mom jeans where you tuck this in. I love the fact that it has this sweetheart neckline. It's just an extra bonus to look really cute, really sexy, but not revealing too much. So something like this, I can definitely see myself wearing it with a high-waisted skirt tucked in or with a high-waisted jeans tucked in as well. If I wanted to wear it and sort of expose the back, then it makes sense to wear it with a low-rise skirt. Maybe a maxi skirt, but low-rise. That way you're exposing just a partial part of your back, but you're not exposing too much of your body overall. So I've not quite decided what I'm going to do with this. This is kind of on the, should I return it? If I do want to keep it, which color should I keep? Because I really like both of them, but I don't think I need both of them. A second item that I picked up, absolutely love this. I love the fit on it on me. It's by a brand called Jason Wu in the US size 10, UK size 14. It is an amazing top. I love the fact that it has this zippers at the front. It's like faux zippers. They don't do anything, but I just love them. I think they do have pockets, don't they? Yeah, I won't pay this kind of price and have them not have pockets. Absolutely love this style. Like I've mentioned, a lot of these brands are very new to me, so I'm not very familiar with the designer itself, but that's what I love about places like Net-a-Porter, possibly Farfetch, but I find Net-a-Porter much easier to navigate. Farfetch, there's just so much going on Farfetch, and there's a lot of repetition of things because they come from different boutiques. I picked this up, definitely keeping this 100%. It's a navy blue trousers. I have a lot of black straight leg trousers, but nothing that's in a color like this, so I thought that this was really cute. Next item was this top, is this dark gray top. I loved it because it has like this crossing kind of at the boob area. Okay, yeah, so this is a UK size 14. Is a 14 a large or is a 12 a large? I always get confused. Size 14. Now I will be returning this for two reasons. First off, the price is $175. I get that is like I think it's 100% wool. It better be for the price. And this is on sale, by the way. It was originally £350, now $175. It's completely sold out. So it is 100% cashmere. Okay, I get that it's cashmere, and quite frankly, I'm trying to invest in really good knits. But there are two things. First of all, my boobs are too big for this because the crossover kind of looks weird on me. I would put a picture of the model actually wearing it so you can see how it looks on her versus how it looks on me. I think it's too tight around the boob area. If it was an extra large or if it was one size up, probably the fit would have been better. Like, there's nothing super fancy about this. That's the point I'm trying to make. I can probably get 100% cashmere a lot cheaper from like Karen Miller or something like that. So I would usually keep something if it's that expensive and there's something special about it. So this is 100% returning for me. The next one that I have is by Veronica Beard. Again, another 100% returning for me because it looks nicer on the model than on me. It's not as flattering. I wanted something that was multicolored, but at the same time, something that I could wear with a lot of outfits in my wardrobe, because with something like this, I can wear with black, I can wear with gray, navy even. I can wear it with some type of oxblood trouser. So it's a very multifaceted knitwear. But like I said, it does nothing for me. It's not particularly flattering on my body. I mean, it's okay. I don't really like it, so that's fine. It's going to return. First of all, I really do love this brand. This is the first thing that I own from them. It's a skirt, and it's by the brand 3.1 Philip Lim. Whenever I see his items, without even looking at the brand, I always think, oh, I really like that. And then when I look at the brand, I'm like, okay, I think this is a brand that I really like. They do amazing contemporary pieces. And the stuff that I have here, sorry, I'm just trying to find the price of the skirt. Yeah, this is arguably the most expensive stuff in my on here. So it's this knitwear skirt, and it has like this gaps, which I think makes it look really fancy. You see, with something like this, I can definitely see myself wearing the black top that I showed you that has the low front and the high back. Really cute, heavy duty skirt as well. It has like what looks like, I don't know, I want to call this fins, because it has kind of that bottom look that's very interesting. You're gonna see it on me. I'm tempted to keep this because it's a very unique style. I'm happy to spend a bit of money on unique pieces that you know when you go somewhere, someone's gonna ask you, oh my god, where'd you get that skirt from? That's a really beautiful skirt. So full price, it was £490, and it was for 50% off at £245. This is very expensive. I didn't think it was this much. And unfortunately, it's completely sold out. I picked this up in a large. I believe this is 100% wool. It better be for the price. So it's 91% wool, 8% nylon, 1% elastane. This is a difficult one for me, but I also like it because I can definitely see myself wearing this to work. This is definitely a great day to night piece, because for daytime, I can wear it with like an oversized jumper or something like that covers up the side, or wear it to work like that. And then if I wanted to go for drinks afterwards, I could probably wear something cropped with it. Probably have the crop thing in my bag or something. But I could wear it with like a crop top, and it would be an interesting look. So the more I talk about this and the more I think about how versatile this piece is, the more I'm tempted to keep it. I think I'm just going to end up keeping it, because this is, in my opinion, one of those very special pieces that I can see myself wearing non-stop, and it always having a place in fashion. It's a cutout piece, but it's also a very decent piece at the same time. It's definitely a fashion statement in my opinion, but it's a fashion statement that can stand the test of time, because there's some fashion statements that you look at them and you're just like, in 5 years time, this is not going to make any sense. But I think even in 10 years time, even when I'm 40 something, if my body is right, I could probably rock this and it would still be a conversation starter. I think this is one of those type of pieces. So my video did cut off a little bit, and so I think I have like 3 pieces to share, and that's pretty much it. So the next item that I picked up is from the brand called ALC. I've never heard of this brand before. I just saw this top online and I really liked it. I really wanted this in a large, and they did have it in a large. I kind of was dragging my feet and couldn't quite commit to actually buying it, and before I knew it, the large was sold out and I was stuck with a medium. So this is the medium, but at the same time I keep telling myself, well, I am in the process of losing weight, so this should be fine. What I love about this is obviously 2 things. So the first thing is this part here where you have this cutout around the neckline area. I think that's very pretty. I think it's a very cool place to have a cutout, and usually we're used to seeing cutouts either the shoulders or around the tummy areas, but this one is right here at the neck and it's quite unusual, so I thought that was an interesting touch. The second thing that I like, it's actually the arms, and again, I wish I got the large because I feel like you would have been able to see it a lot more in the large than in the small. But the arms, they widen at the very end. It has like a shape of a cone where it starts a bit small and comes out wider. I really do wish I had gotten the large, because I think the beauty of the top would have shown a lot more. I have thought about just returning it and just not having it, but I like it too much, and I'd say I'd rather lose weight than not to have it. You can dress it a number of ways. I mean, it's one of those items that you can make it look really sexy depending on what you pair it with, or you can make it look really toned down. That's it from my Net-a-Porter order. I have one more item to share with you, actually 2 more items. One is from Zara and the other one is from And Other Stories. Again, issues with sizing on these 2, but still I wanted to share it with you. So from And Other Stories, what I got was this beautiful cutout blazer. It's from the collaboration with And Other Stories and Awake Mode. I believe they launched that sometime in September. Awake Mode is a contemporary designer. I would call it contemporary design because they do have expensive pieces that go over £1,000, but they also have a little bit of affordable pieces as well. So they have this style of blazer where at the front obviously it's a full-on blazer, and at the back you have this massive cutout. And on their actual one, so they have a design of their own house itself, and that one has like a spoon here. I first saw that one on Janae from High Low Lux, and I really liked it, but I just felt like the spoon was a little bit too out there for me because I would wear it for work. So if I was wearing the blazer for something else other than work, 100% I would get it with the spoon. So I decided to look at this one. And the funny thing about this one being advertised with Another Stories, first of all, it's a fraction of the price. So it retails for £200. I believe the Awake Mode one retails for 600-700. Now, when I first saw this on the Another Stories website, it had like a skull here, and I remember looking at it and saying, oh, I don't want it because of that skull head. It's just horrible. What I didn't know was that, first of all, this doesn't come with that. That's actually an attachment that you can put yourself. At least when I received mine, I didn't receive that whole skull thing. So I wish they didn't advertise it with that, or at least they should have put it very clearly somewhere there that thing, the skull doesn't come with it. So that put me off it until I saw Tanika B's Insta stories, or either it was the stories or TikTok, I can't remember, where she wore this blazer and she said that it was from Another Story. So I was just like, is it that blazer? And initially I thought, okay, maybe she just took it out herself. But yeah, it doesn't come with it. What I hope to wear this with though, because it did give me an idea to have a brooch with it, and I think there are two Saint Laurent brooches that I'm looking at the moment. If I can have one of that and have that here, it would go perfectly with this blazer. I think it would elevate the outfit a little bit, especially if you're wearing an all black outfit. This would be perfect with it. So yeah, I picked this one up, and like I said, it's a size 16. I think it's a little bit oversized on me, but blazers are one of those things that you can get away with it if it's oversized. It just depends on how you choose to style it. And the final piece is a top that I got from Zara. So my issue with this one is it's perfect, I love it, but I think it's a little bit tight on me. I would wear it and you'd let me know whether you think it's tight. So this is part of their special collection. They call it the SBRL. It's part of like their premium arm. So the fabric to touch is not the best. So I would have loved this in a large, but like I said, the medium was the only one that was left. When you look at it on my shoulder where the arm begins, it fits perfectly there, which is usually an indication of whether it's your size or not. It's where this line sits, right? So it sits right here on me, but it still feels quite tight. I don't know if this is a fabric that is going to expand over time. I'm not quite sure. It's a cable knit. The stitching is quite thick. I thought this would be a softer touch, but it's not for its price. I'm a little bit disappointed with the quality of it itself, but I do love the style. That's why I bought it. It's really unique and it's very nice, and it's what's kind of making me think, okay, maybe I do want to keep it. So at the front you have this V-neck jumper, and an extension of the neckline, maybe, or the top of the neckline, is this sort of, it's a scarf attached to the top, which allows you to wrap it around in a number of ways. That's what I really love about this. I can pull it up a little bit so there's no cleavage that shows, and even if I was to get a little bit of cleavage peeping through, I could potentially just use this and wrap around, because if you don't wrap it around, it will just be hanging there. So you kind of have to wrap it around. I'm still undecided whether I should keep it or not. I definitely do need your assistance in doing that. So let me know in the comment section whether you think this is still okay, it's not that bad as I think, I'm overthinking it, or if you think, yeah, definitely I should return it because it's just small. So it's 40% viscose, 30% polyamide, 25% wool, 5% cashmere. Come on. So the only real organic materials is wool and cashmere, 30%. What am I paying for exactly? Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it. But anyway, that's it for part 1 of my hauls. I actually just received more items coming through from Net-a-Porter, so I will be filming part 2 probably tomorrow, so it should be up shortly after this one is up. Let me know what you think about these items that I got. Have you been shopping the sale as well? If you did you manage to find any hidden gems, any interesting pieces, or something that you've been wanting for a long time? Let me know in the comment section and let's have a chat. So definitely consider following me on my social medias, because a lot of the items that I've shared with you today, I will be styling on there, and as I mentioned, I'll most likely be putting the links to these items first on there before I do here. So hopefully, if you're following me on my social media, then you can get access to these items before they all sell out. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe, because that helps a lot with the algorithm and it helps you to push my videos. And also, if you want to keep watching more of my videos, then I'm going to put 2 recommendations here that I think you might like and you should definitely check out. So if you haven't seen them, go ahead and click either one of them and enjoy the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.